Garden lovers, imagine starting an incredible garden for under $20. Yes, really. Today we're diving into the 10 best Dollar Tree finds that will completely transform your garden in 2026. From chic planters to clever tools and seasonal decor, I'll show you how to make your outdoor space bloom without breaking the bank. Before we get started, I'd love to know where are you watching from. Drop your city or country in the comments so we can share some gardening love worldwide. If you're ready to save money while creating a gorgeous garden, make sure to subscribe to Timeless Gardening and hit that bell for notifications. Every week we share budget-friendly tips, DIY hacks, and seasonal finds that help you grow a beautiful garden on a budget. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. It's time to turn your patio, balcony, or backyard into a stunning oasis for less than you ever imagined. Let's get started. Item number 1. Wave Pattern Planters. These wave pattern planters are an absolute must-have for any garden, and at $1.50 to $5 depending on the size, they're a total steal. Available in 5 cheerful spring-themed colors, these planters combine style and functionality in a way that makes them look far more expensive than they actually are. The modern embossed wave design adds texture and dimension, giving your plants a designer look without the designer price tag. They come in 10-inch and 14-inch sizes, making them perfect for everything from small indoor herbs to vibrant outdoor flowers, or even compact vegetable plants. The lightweight yet sturdy construction ensures they're easy to move around your garden while still holding up against the elements. For styling, these planters are incredibly versatile. Mix and match the colors to create a coordinated patio display, or line them up along a windowsill for a pop of color and contemporary flair. They're ideal for both indoor and outdoor spaces, and you can even use them to create themed arrangements for special occasions or seasonal decor. To really elevate the look, try grouping several planters of different sizes together. It instantly gives the impression of a curated high-end garden setup. And the best part, similar planters in home stores often retail for $15 to $25, so you're getting designer style for a fraction of the cost. Item number 2. Jute Carrot Figurines. Next up are these charming jute carrot figurines, priced at just $1.50. They're a delightful addition to any spring or Easter-themed garden, and their handcrafted look gives them a whimsical fairy tale quality that's hard to beat. Perfect for fairy gardens, potted plant arrangements, or seasonal displays on your patio or windowsill. These carrots instantly add texture and personality. The natural jute fibers give them an earthy, rustic feel while still feeling playful and fun, making them versatile enough to complement both modern and cottage-style garden decor. These figurines aren't just for show, they're an easy way to add seasonal charm throughout your garden space without spending a fortune. You can group them in clusters around flower beds, tuck them into planters for a surprise pop of color, or even use them as part of DIY spring crafts like wreaths or table centerpieces. Their compact size makes them easy to move and reposition, so you can refresh your garden's look from week to week. For just $1.50 each, they're a budget-friendly way to make your garden feel joyful and unique, proving that small touches can make a big impact. Item number 3. 4-in-1 Modular Garden Tool System. This 4-in-1 modular garden tool system is a total game-changer for small space gardeners and hobbyists alike. Priced at just $1.50 per piece, with handle and attachments sold separately, it includes everything you need to tackle a variety of gardening tasks: a leaf rake, garden rake, cultivator, and shovel attachments, all designed to easily snap onto a single handle. The genius of this system is its compact, space-saving design. No more cluttered tool sheds or bulky storage issues. Whether you're working with container gardens, balcony plants, or a small backyard plot, these interchangeable tools give you the versatility of a full gardening kit without taking up extra room. For best results, consider buying the complete set. You can get all 4 attachments for under $10, making it an incredible bargain for any gardener. The durable construction handles typical gardening tasks with ease, from loosening soil to moving mulch or small rocks. Plus, because the pieces are modular, you can swap them out quickly, making garden chores faster and more efficient. These tools are perfect for anyone looking to maximize functionality while keeping costs low. For small space and container gardening, this set is not just practical, it's downright essential, turning everyday gardening into a smoother, more organized experience. Item number 4, gardening gloves. Next up are essential gardening gloves, priced at just $1.50 a pair. These aren't your average gloves. They come coated in durable materials and are available in colors like blue, gray, and light blue, giving you both protection and a little style while you work. Gardening gloves are crucial for shielding your hands from thorns, sharp edges, and rough soil, as well as from bacteria, fungi, and other harmful microorganisms that can linger in soil. Wearing gloves not only keeps your hands clean, but also protects against potential infections, making them a simple yet indispensable tool for every gardener, whether you're planting flowers, tending vegetables, or arranging container gardens. For convenience, it's a good idea to stock up on multiple pairs, so you always have a clean set ready. You can rotate them between tasks, keeping one pair for heavier work like pruning or digging, and another for light planting or indoor gardening. Beyond safety, these gloves help you maintain better grip and control over your tools, making garden work easier and more efficient. At just $1.50 each, they're an absolute bargain compared to specialty gloves at big box stores, and they prove that protecting your hands doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Item number 5, potting mix. Potting mix is one of those essentials every gardener needs, and Dollar Tree makes it easy to stock up without spending a fortune. At just $5 for a larger bag, this potting mix gives you the quality you need for container gardens, raised beds, or indoor plants, all at a fraction of the cost of big box garden centers. It's lightweight, easy to work with, and designed to provide good drainage, while retaining just the right amount of moisture for healthy plant growth. Whether you're starting seeds, repotting houseplants, or refreshing outdoor containers, this mix delivers solid results without breaking the budget. For an extra boost, mix the potting soil with compost or organic fertilizer to enrich the soil and encourage stronger growth. It's versatile enough to use in a variety of planting setups, and because it's so affordable, you can experiment with different mixes or use it liberally without worrying about cost. To put it in perspective, similar bags from major retailers often run $10 to $15, so this is an excellent way to maximize your gardening budget. With a reliable potting mix in hand, you'll set a strong foundation for all your garden projects, making it easier to grow healthy, thriving plants season after season. Item number 6, Sequined Easter eggs. Next on our list are these fun and festive sequined Easter eggs, sold in a 6-pack for just $1.50. While they might seem like simple seasonal decor, they're surprisingly versatile for gardeners and crafters alike. They're perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to spring wreaths, garlands, or tabletop displays, and they can even be tucked into potted plants or fairy gardens to create a playful pop of color. The sequins catch the light beautifully, giving your garden or home a whimsical, eye-catching accent that feels much more expensive than their budget-friendly price. These eggs are also great for DIY projects and seasonal creativity. You can mix them with other spring-themed items, like jute carrots, floral stakes, or mini planters to design charming arrangements that bring your garden to life. Their compact size and lightweight construction make them easy to move around, so you can refresh your decor week by week as the season progresses. For just $1.50 a pack, these sequined Easter eggs are an affordable way to add personality, sparkle, and seasonal charm to your garden and home, proving that even small details can make a big impact. Item number 7, rolling plant stand. If you've ever struggled to move heavy planters or wanted to give your pots some extra height, the rolling plant stand is a must-have. Priced at just $5, this sturdy plastic stand looks far more expensive than it actually is. It allows you to effortlessly move heavy planters around your patio, balcony, or indoor space without straining your back, while also protecting your floors from scratches and water damage. The added height is perfect for creating layers in your garden display, making smaller plants stand out and giving your entire setup a professional, curated look. These rolling plant stands come in assorted finishes, so they can seamlessly blend with almost any garden or home decor style. Whether you're rearranging your plants to catch more sunlight, or simply refreshing your display for a seasonal look, These stands make it simple and convenient. Their combination of functionality and style makes them a standout budget find, proving that practical garden solutions don't have to come at a high price. For just $5, you're getting a versatile, long-lasting tool that elevates both your plants and your gardening experience. Item number 8. Square Modern Planters. These square modern planters are a showstopper for anyone looking to add a sleek contemporary touch to their garden or indoor space. Priced at $5 each, they offer a sophisticated designer look without the hefty price tag. Their clean lines and edgy aesthetic make them perfect for minimalist or Instagram-worthy garden setups, and they're large enough to accommodate small trees, herb gardens, or substantial flowering plants. Whether you place them indoors by a sunny window or outdoors on a patio, they instantly elevate the overall look of your space. For styling, consider grouping 3 to 5 planters of varying heights together to create a designer display that feels intentional and high-end. Their versatility also allows you to experiment with plant combinations, from lush greenery to colorful blooms, creating focal points that draw the eye. These planters are trending in 2026 for good reason. They offer a polished modern look that complements almost any decor while remaining budget-friendly. At just $5 each, they prove that you can achieve a chic contemporary garden without breaking the bank. Item number 9. Floral Yard Stakes Decorative Stakes. Next up are these vibrant floral yard stakes, priced at $5, and they've been turning heads all over social media with nearly 1 million TikTok views. These decorative stakes are perfect for adding a whimsical, colorful touch to your garden, balcony, or even special events like weddings and Mother's Day displays. Their bright, cheerful design instantly brings energy to any outdoor space, and they're versatile enough to use season after season. Whether tucked among flowers, lining a walkway, or accenting a potted plant, these stakes create a playful yet stylish statement that looks far more expensive than their modest price. For longevity, consider spraying them with a clear sealant to prevent fading, or repainting them to refresh the colors for different seasons. Their lightweight construction makes them easy to move around, and their cheerful designs make them a fun addition for kids' gardens, DIY projects, or even as thoughtful gifts. These stakes are a perfect example of how small budget-friendly items can make a big visual impact. At just $5, they're a simple, affordable way to elevate your garden decor and add personality, charm, and a touch of trendiness to any space. Item number 10. Expanding Soil Coco Coir Bricks. Rounding out our list are these expanding coco coir bricks, priced at just $1.50 each. These compact bricks may seem small at first, but once water is added, they expand to 3 quarts of nutrient-rich planting material. Made from organic coconut coir and natural wood fibers, they're an eco-friendly alternative to traditional peat moss, offering excellent moisture retention and improved soil texture. They're perfect for seed starting, mixing with compost for potting soil, or enhancing container gardens, making them an incredibly versatile addition to any gardener's toolkit. The magic of these bricks lies in their convenience and performance. They're lightweight, easy to store, and compact until you need them, which is ideal if you're tight on space or prefer to keep your gardening supplies organized. For best results, rinse the coir before use and mix it 50-50 with compost to create a nutrient-rich, well-draining potting mix. Demonstrating the expansion process from dry brick to fully hydrated soil really highlights how much value you get for such a low price. At just $1.50, these coco coir bricks are a practical, eco-friendly, and budget-conscious solution that makes planting easier, more efficient, and more sustainable. And there you have it. 10 amazing Dollar Tree garden finds for 2026 that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to create a beautiful, thriving garden. From stylish wave pattern and modern square planters, to practical tools, cozy gloves, and whimsical seasonal decor, each item brings value, functionality, and style without breaking the bank. With just $25 to $30, you can grab all these essentials, compared to $100 or more at traditional garden centers, saving you up to 80% while still giving your garden a professional polished look. Now I want to hear from you. Which item are you most excited to try in your garden? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more budget-friendly garden hacks. And hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tip. Remember, a beautiful garden doesn't have to come with a big price tag. Just a little creativity, a few smart finds and some love for your plants. Happy gardening, friends.